One way to begin to realign with our unique inner nature, our dosha combination, is to observe qualities in the elements while out here in nature. The stability of the mountains, the fertility of flowers, the calming effects of the body of water. Such aspects of nature point us to earth and water elements, the kapha dosha in us. The sun's warmth in our skin, the bright colors of a flower, the piercing eyes of an eagle, these point us to the fire element, the pitta dosha in us. The twisting curly vines climbing on plants, the fluttering wing of a bird, the space that contains it all, air and ether element, the vata dosha in us. So enjoy some time out in